How to write a baby care ebook. First, ask Claude, I want to write a baby care ebook. Give me the, or suggest anyone, give me the best title to use. So here now you first get the best title. You cannot just say baby care ebook. Now see the what Chabi suggested, the new parents playbook. Everything you need to care for your baby with confidence. Baby care made simple. A practical guide for first time parents from. So let's just pick this for this tutorial. Now I copy this using the above title. Create a professional baby care ebook that covers what that covers how specifically for Nigerian parents. You know, sometimes culture differs, so I'm doing this for Nigeria. So if you come to Nigeria, you can replace this with your country. If the one explaining to them now, I send this has been generated. Now let's see the file. Oh, here is the file, the new parents playbook. Everything you need to care for your baby with confidence, specially written. So here you can see how the book is looking now. Okay, let's see what the book covers. Here is the table of content. Table of contents. Chapter 1, welcome. Before we begin, chapter 2, the first 24 hours, what to expect. Chapter 3, feeding your baby. Chapter 4, sleeping safe. Chapter 4, sleeping safely. Chapter 5, birthing and hygiene. Chapter 6, health and common illnesses. You can see how this. So this is a valuable ebook. You can sell, at least you can sell this 1.5. If you get 100 buyers, that's 150k. So if you promote this using ads, at least make at least 6-7 sales daily. You know how much at 115, you know how much you make. So it also cover immunization schedule, baby milestone, taking care of yourself too. So it's a very valuable ebook. Now for this ebook, now if you wish to add photos, you can download stock photos, take this to MS Word to add photos manually. You can add photos manually if you wish. So this is a book you can sell. You can sell this like this because the information is valuable. It has a very good valuable information which you can sell. So chapter 8, immunization schedule. Immunization is free in Nigeria through the National Primary Healthcare Development Agency, NPHCDA. Every baby should get vaccinated according to the national schedule. Vaccine save life. This is not debate. Age vaccine, what is protect against. Now you can see what AI is at birth 6 weeks. It's also recommend the vaccine to give to the baby, what it protects against. So you can see how valuable this book is. Many parents don't know about this, but you can see how this. Now look at this chapter 7, Nigeria baby care tradition, keep or skip. Say how water betting me wanna this is a common across Yoruba, Igbo and Hausa community. They believe that hot water strengthens the baby bones. And so this is why I said use Nigerian parents. So if you are creating this for your country, also use your country. So if you need the prompt, check it in the description section. You will see the prompts, copy it and adjust it so that it fits what you want. Now, sleeping safe, self sleep, the ABC rule. Alone, A, alone, baby sleep alone in their own space, not between parents, not with old sibling. B, back, always place baby on their back to sleep, never on the tummy or side. C,